lead is created anyhow. There can be any mechanism a lead is created. I want to send that email immediately to him. Like whenever you go and sign up, you don't wait for 15 minutes, right? 15 minutes wait time is okay for commercial emails. Like tomorrow I am going to launch a sale. I will have all the sync data already available. I am going to deploy that communication. But what about transactions? I have made a transaction. I got that data within CRM. I have to immediately trigger a communication. So that is a real-time scenario. Within seconds, I have to communicate, which is a real-time scenario. And for real-time, we have options in Journey Builder. And in Journey Builder, we have options for Salesforce data as entry source. Salesforce data as entry source. So when we created a journey last time, we took we took data extension as one of the entry source. But now we have to take Salesforce data as an entry source if we have to communicate customers with real time, or if we have to listen any platform events happening within Salesforce in real time. Like a new lead is created, a lead is converted to a contact, a new contact is created, a new opportunity is created. All these are the events within Salesforce which we can listen in real time. And based on that real time interaction, we can trigger a communication. So we'll create a new journey here. The problem statement, I will remind you again, was the how you send communications to Salesforce data. The one way is to sync that data, which will take at least 15 minutes. Then you apply filter, you apply SQL, and then you prepare your own data set using automation and send it. The other way is the real way to communicate. The real way to communicate is to use Salesforce data as an entry source. In Journey, we use data extension as an entry source. Now we will use Salesforce data as an entry source. Here we will select Salesforce data, click on next option. So select the object which you want to listen in real time. Suppose I want to send communications to all the new leads. Whenever a new lead is coming to our system, I have to trigger that communication immediately. So I will select leads object. When I select leads object from here, I will require lead ID, which can be considered as a primary key. So I will select lead ID as a primary key here. I'll click on next. Now here is the criteria when you have to communicate. I have to communicate whenever a new lead is created. You can also communicate whenever a lead is updated. But this we will see later. So whenever a new lead is created, I want to send them a welcome email. Welcome to Peoplewoo Skills. Click next. Okay, and click next and click done. So now what we will do, whenever a lead is created, that Salesforce entry event will listen that creation and will trigger a welcome email. So I will use ChatGPT quickly to create a welcome email. Write HTML CSS for welcome email to new leads to Peoplewoo Skills. So this is very important topic, guys. People who are working in Salesforce would understand, because we will not only be limited to Salesforce Marketing Cloud. And if you don't know Salesforce admin, get any Udemy course and learn it. It is just 5-7 hours of course. But you should have a complete knowledge of Salesforce CRM, sales, service, and marketing, specialization in Marketing Cloud. But you have to interact with data present within Salesforce day to day. All the companies use sales, service, and marketing as 3 basic platforms. Later, when you work in Salesforce ecosystem, you will get opportunity to work with Data Cloud as well. Data Cloud, I also have an Udemy course. You can go and understand more details about Data Cloud. You might be working with Commerce Cloud as well. but majorly Data Cloud, Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud. These 4 platforms are commonly used. If you master these 4 platforms with specialization in Marketing Cloud, so now I created this. I'll click on new message option. Now we will click on activate. But before activate, we have to select journey entry criteria, re-entry criteria. Will validate and activate this journey. We'll click on activate option and activate. So now once we activate, this is our journey. What I will do, I'll go and create a new lead. I'll change my email address. And I'll click on save option. Once this lead is created, I'll look for journey, whether it detects that lead or not. If there is no issue with the integration, if everything is set up correctly, this should definitely send. If it doesn't send, then there is some issue with the integration, we have to look. So let's see if it detects or not. So it has detected, it has evaluated one contact and one contact accepted. That means whenever I created a lead, it accepted, and soon you will see that email is sent. Now for each and every entry event, Salesforce data entry event for Salesforce data, a default data extension is also created where you can see what all leads are selected. You see that one lead is evaluated and selected. What is that lead? So you can go and search within the main data extension folder. There would be a data extension created by this journey. Whenever you use Salesforce entry event, there will be a data extension created by this journey with the journey name. This is the journey name, and it has one lead incoming. This is the lead which I just created, which has lead ID and email address. If I copy this lead ID, so this is the same lead ID which I created. So this is the another way to send a real-time communication to a Salesforce data. So we have seen 2 different ways to communicate with Salesforce data. One is with synchronized data extension, and one way to communicate is using Salesforce data as an entry source within journey. Any questions, guys? Any questions on this topic?
Harshit, like when we are synchronizing the objects, at that point of time, we are selecting few fields, right? Like we have selected few fields at this point of time, but later if we want more fields, like can we go and pause it and
No need to pause it. Suppose
okay,
you want to get more data, so open that synchronized object and go and edit fields.
okay, just edit fields would work.
Let me show you.
Okay.
Go to data source,
Hmm.
synchronize data source. So suppose this is the object, no need to pause.
Hmm.
Okay, you will get edit fields here. Let it load. So edit field, add
Okay.
more fields, and click on save. So within 15 minutes, new fields will come.
Okay.
If you pause,
For all the, previous data also, we will be getting the information of these fields, right?
yes. After 15 minutes, you go and check, you will see all the data.
Okay.
Previous data also.
Mm. Like what about that common org which we have requested yesterday? Should-
Yeah, actually, I forgot. I will give it.
yeah, no problem. Take couple of days, but can you give that? Because like if you want to do the all this one, like I think it one
Yeah,
common
just
org.
ping me your email address. Instead of creating a common user, I'll create user in my CRM only. So
Hmm.
let my so if you want to connect another CRM, then you have to create your own. But if you don't want to connect another CRM and work with the CRM which we already have, then
Uh,
I have
so
done my yeah.
connection, it's okay. We can go through the steps and all. But I actually tried today, but I don't know. Like I when I tried to install that, the Marketing Cloud connected app itself is not installing. I'm getting the mail that it is successfully installed, but that application is not getting installed. Are there
Oh,
any restrictions, Harshit, on this part?
actually, I'm getting error. I mean, failure email that it's not being installed. It's not even showing in my thing also that it's installed.
Then I think it is not. I think they have disabled to install in non-licensed org like trial org.
Yeah,
Okay.
most likely because it's a trial version and it's asking when I'm trying to troubleshoot, it's asking me to connect with Salesforce help. And because in my previous organization, I was actually admin for Salesforce directly reached out to me to see what problem I'm facing. So most likely it's a trial version, so I'm not able to. That's the reason they're not letting us install any package.
Yeah, then no need to learn how to install that and everything. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, but we would like to practice this one. I think not only
Yeah,
just
yeah.
build list, but like we have other activities also, like how to create a record into, like a CRM from Marketing Cloud. I think like some unscripts are also there, right? Functions are also there. I think right that also we need
Yeah,
to
we will
practice.
see that. Okay.
Yeah.
Um,
So for
Harshit,
that,
one thing I think we all understand that definitely it's a license based, so we wouldn't be like uploading lots of data, just one data. Like today you showed right one contact you added and how the journey it showed that immediately how in real time it sent an email. So for practice. I think one email, if we just do like that, that would help us.
Yeah, I'm creating your user. Wait.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Actually, I only have 4 user license in my org, so I think I'll do it. I'll give you for practice purpose. Later, I'll
Oh,
remove. Okay.
okay. Okay. Sure. Sure. Absolutely.
Harshit, like this training is mostly based on a Salesforce consultant role, I think, right? Not a developer role, I think, right, Harshit?
No, so developer, what you will develop? We have seen lots of development in future also. Journey is a part of development. Content builder is a part of development. Attribute based
No.
resistant data model. Development
I
will.
know. Yeah, like so for interviews, like we can appear for both developer roles and
Yeah,
as well as
nothing will be
consultant
asked
roles.
apart from what we are studying here. Okay, you give interviews, nothing will be asked. Even for developer also, they will ask some AMScript functions. We have seen some in cloud pages. We'll see some for some Salesforce related AMScript functions also, like creating, inserting record in Salesforce. Like from cloud page, we will be creating a lead in Salesforce and all. So I will cover whatever is required to crack any marketing cloud interview for any level. Okay.
Okay. Even for experienced
Yeah,
level,
for
Harshit,
any
like
level.
at least 2 3 years of experience in marketing cloud, that level of
Yeah.
experience.
Then you have
And also,
then
will
you
be
have
getting any like interview questions and answers sort of materials or anything like that.
yeah, it is on my website now.
Uh,
Yeah.
I mean, like, yeah, concepts said there.
If you go to interview questions, you go here.
Okay.
So 100 interview questions I have written here.
Okay, okay. I didn't visit
Even
this.
AM script also I have given. But
Mm.
don't rely on only marketing cloud. Go to website and go to self learning and get this data cloud also. It is related to marketing cloud only. It is also
Mm.
4.